Well, it's pretty windy today, so I thought I'd do some indoor work, mainly preparing for indoor flying through the winter here up in Minnesota. This is my Ren 2, which is a follow-on to the Ren 1, which I'll show you in a second here. What I'm planning to do for the winter, and maybe even get proficient enough that I can get some inside flying projects, because you don't need a license to fly professionally indoors for pay. So I might be able to score some setups like that. Around here there isn't really anybody doing that kind of flying with FPV indoors. They'll try to maybe fly with a camera drone that's you know, like a typical DJI product, but it really is a special skill to be able to fly FPV stably inside. So I think I can get proficient doing that and see where that leads me. Anyway, the project today was to be able to fly around and see how long I could go with this configuration. This is 110 grams, another 22 to 25 with that mount, and the Insta360 Go camera, which gives 5 minutes. So the key is to find out what battery between the 450, 650 and the 850 3S will give me that 5 minutes of duration. And I've already done that testing, and it turns out you can safely get the 5 minutes with this. It'd be pretty tough to get it with the 650. Now, since this one here has only a linear dipole antenna, and as I showed in my one of my prior videos, that you can get some pretty weak signals, especially inside of a house where there's a lot of obstructions. So I did my testing outside by using a right-hand circular polarized lollipop on my Ren 1. Obviously it's my outdoor model. So I just now tested this inside with the Go going and with that right-hand circular polarized, and I can literally fly from the lower level inside my basement to the 3rd level on the far end of the house with getting no problem getting the video feed. So it's so much better having a circular polarized antenna on these kind of indoor models if you can afford the weight. So let me show you the footage that I'm getting in the basement with the Go, just to kind of give you an idea what kind of imagery and stabilization we get with that camera flying in the house here. One thing you'll notice is that I got a lot of junk in my basement. I have our eBay business with about 2,500 items. A lot of what you see is what I've got in my on my shelves for inventory. So I'm not a hoarder, but I am a hobbyist with lots of interest. Plus I make a pretty good side hustle money with the eBay stuff. So enjoy the flight.